Hello you guys, so welcome to today's video. It's another talking video, another sit down video. Let me go ahead and just like clean this up while I do this intro. So I wanted to talk to you guys about my fitness journey so far. I want to speak specifically to having a trainer. Now you guys know I have been on my fitness journey for years. After I had Jonathan, 1 year after I had Jonathan, I just dove headway into my fitness and I've never looked back. I have been enjoying myself, I've been loving the results, and I got really small, and even back then I thought I was fat. So anyway, so cut to now where I have had my second child via cesarean, and I'm not saying it's proving difficult, but until I included weight training, I just felt very stuck to where I was. After weight training, I've seen a significant increase, a significant what's it called, results. I've just been looking how I want to look, you know what I'm saying, and I'm grateful for that. No, there's a trainer I was talking to Express Fitness, and there's a trainer by the name of Dennis. That's what I say. I have Dennis Dwight and Demar, Dennis, Dwight, Demar, and Dion. 4 Ds. So I have 4 trainers there. So there's 1 female trainer and 3 male trainers. So I have 4 trainers there. So that Devin, Dennis always say, just give me 1 month. Just give me 1 month. And I'm just like, sir, I don't have 1 month money. That is money, sir. I do not have it. I'm sorry. Sorry to disappoint you. So I came, gave him the month, and first of all, you do not need a trainer to get your results. You do not need a trainer to get to where you want to get to. You can do it by yourself. I'm done that part there. My next part is, for me specifically, for the body type that I want, I'm done showing my body type already. Rocky Giovanni, Miss Pearl, I'm done telling already. Them two, uno are the 2, uno are the dos. So that's the body I want. Small waist, big butt, big hips, thighs, calves, nice sexy backs. Oh my gosh, it's just, that's what I want. And for the years that I've been doing it by myself, I've always had a little pouch still, and I'm like, how the hell do I get rid of this? My thing is, whenever I do my workouts, I do my workouts with like not enough reps. So I'd go probably three sets. I'll do the workout 3 times, and for each workout, let's say I'm doing 4 workouts, I'm going to do each workout 10 times. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'll do that 2 more times. So it'll be 3 sets of 10s, right? Fine. So, and yeah, I was getting results, and yeah, I know what to do. I've watched YouTube videos, I've done this, I've done that, but nothing beats professional help. I'm telling you this right now. And Jimbe Chantel wanted a trainer. I'm a customer, Mr. No Kill is already that trainer. I don't need a trainer, do some money. You have money, money. He got money. He got money. That's what I thought. But being in the situation, I'm eating my words, honey, because I have seen results in just 1 week. Now mark you, I did not start out by taking pictures like, okay, let me see what Dennis going to do this body, picture. No, I just take like regular pictures every single day, and I'm comparing and I'm seeing the difference, but the difference is so small, I'm afraid to share and put on social media. I'm like, people not going to believe. I'd have to show you guys with me in barely anything to see, like when I'm in my clothes, and that's why I take so much before and after in my clothes, because I feel more confident in my clothes, more secure in my clothes. And but you can't see like the full, you know what I mean, you know what I'm saying? So working with Dennis, I'm doing things I never ever would have done. Now understand this, when you get professional help, it means that that person is certified, diplomaed, mastered, or whatever it is. Their education speaks specifically to that craft, speaks specifically to that line of expertise. That's what they're there for. So me incorporating a personal trainer has completely broadened my horizon. And they might think, what if we can scam the system? Just pay a few months, and then I just reuse everything when I'm telling you. Remember, and then we just up the weight, up the rep. Girl, you're good. But because I've gotten results, I'm like, in just a month, I'm like, no, this is by myself anymore. I don't rest by myself no more. I don't rest by myself no more. Help. So this video is just me saying, yes, I know I'm a personal trainer. Yes, I've spoken against it for years, and it is one of the best decisions I've ever made, and I'm just grateful. He understands. First of all, the gym that I'm at, the Express Fitness that I'm at, the trainers there are extremely professional. They're not staring at no woman's ass. They're not, you know, secretly trying to touch, and they're not. I've heard some stories about PTs, and I was like, and you are paying this nigga? That's crazy to me. And they've been, well, I can only speak for Dennis because, you know, I work with him closely, but all the trainers McCall, Dion, Demar, Dennis, and Dwight, they've all been so professional. And maybe it's just my personality, but they're very welcoming, especially Dwight and this. Come and talk up to them more. So yeah, they're very, very welcoming. It's a necessary step that I have to take for the next level. Rocky and Miss Pearl have built their body over the course of years. I only have a year. I'm giving myself until the, let's say, the 3rd of November. That's 1 month before my birthday, to get this body right. No, I'll be vlogging this when I get it, but I'll be joining TLC. I know. Let me tell you, and oh my god, I want to remember her Instagram handle, sexy one. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, boo, but you know you. She reached out to me, and I was like, I don't think so. I don't think I am going to be doing that. I'm not thinking about how lucrative it's going to be. I'm thinking about me, and I'm like, that's too much. I have to drink the NutriBurst, I have to drink the tea, I have to take the CB, I have to do the, it's too much. It's too much. And I'm like, but I have teaming, and I'm good with teaming. No, admittedly, I have not been taking teaming. Okay, only thing I'm taking is colon cleanse. Yes, colon cleanse, because my diet is poor. It's shit poor, pun intended. And I have stepped away from teaming. Not because it doesn't work. I've been working with them for years. I've been passed through so many managers, it's crazy. I mean, their turnover rate is excellent because the company is growing, so I will give Teamy that. Their products work. You guys have seen me drop 5 to 7 pounds in 1 week with Teamy. You've seen that. I've vlogged it on my LyricRochester channel. I've done that. So this new TLC step, yes, it's another business venture because people are making money from it, but I'm looking to test it out for a month before I even say anything. So I'm letting you know I have my PT. I'll be testing the TLC for a month, see what it does to my body, see how it works with my body, see if it works. And I'll also be starting a March challenge. Now you're probably seeing this video well on into March, so if you want to be a part of the challenge, go ahead and follow my workout page, because you know I'm trying to grow my workout page to a substantial amount. I really want to get it to over 10,000 followers, so that, you know, I can take advantages. I can take advantage of brands. I can advantage like a bad, but you know what I mean, like, you know, I can reach out to brands and stuff like that, excuse me, and work with them on a more professional level. Yes, I'll be testing that out, see if it works, and if it works, you guys are going to see it. And I don't want you guys to be you know, kind of discouraged, ugh, but they're always working out or whatever. You guys have seen the product with people who don't work out. I'm just going to test it, see what it does for me, and if it works, then I'll definitely think about I'll definitely think about having that be another business opportunity for me. If it works out, I like to work with things that work, you know what I mean. Yeah, I was saying Teamy that I was passed through so many people, and that's fine because the brand is growing, but I kind of fell out of love, you know. I kind of fell out of love. It's not that it doesn't work, it really does. And my code still does work, but I just haven't been, and I've been waiting on the TLC since last year. Yeah, I have a personal trainer, branching off into TLC, see if this works. I'm currently 173 pounds. My weight has not moved for a month, but my body is shaping, it's forming. If my body is shaping out and my weight has not moved, I'm like, wow, muscles or not, man, muscles or not, you know. So yeah, so let's see what happens. I don't want to get slim, I really want to remain thick, but I also want a small ass midsection. So let's see what this, let's see what's finna happen. Let's see what's finna Yeah. So this is it for this video, talking video, one that I don't have to edit, thank God. I'm still affiliated with the coldest, and I have a link in the description for you guys for the coldest and Vanity Planet, and I still use my scale, my body analyzer scale. Yeah, so that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to run to Jaleel now. Yeah, and that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.